Hi friends, my name is Danielle and welcome to my channel. Today is my very first try at a card tutorial, so here we go. Today's card project is a clean and simple card and can be done in about 5 minutes. The theme of the card is friendship inspired with a colorful greeting. It's a standard A2 size card with a top fold. And the stamp sets I'm using today are from My Favorite Things, the rainbow greetings for the sentiment, and the focal point is from their Distress Pattern stamp set. The inks I'll be using today are Distress Oxide inks, Scattered Straw, Worn Lipstick, and Shaded Lilac. So I'm going to start off by using a paper stencil and overlay it onto my card base. I think my first stamp is going to be, the paint stroke. The paintbrush stroke, I think that's what it's called. And this is my first video, you guys, so I'm quickly learning the power of editing because I could have cut a lot of this out. And I'm noticing quite a few things in this video. If you look at my Fitbit, you'll see how many calories I've burned. I worked out right before I recorded this video and I forgot to hit done on my watch. Anyway, I quickly noticed that before I want to stamp that, I have to cover up the edge of my card there. It was still exposed, so I had to put a little paint tape on there, and then I wound up stamping. And the reason I used that stencil was, number one, I was making a different card where I actually used a diamond die cut. So I just picked up what I had in front of me, and my whole purpose of using that was just to try to condense the area where I was stamping and to add a little interest in the card. So I make my first stamp with the paintbrush stroke. I'm now using the worn lipstick to, what is that? Oh, that's the, what are they called? Paint spots or paint splatters. That's my next stamp. Yeah, in my next video I'm gonna speed a lot of this up. So I'm making my second stamp there. And this is a really easy card. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4 stamps. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. So this is my second stamp with the paint splatters or paint blots or spots. And then I'm following with my third stamp. These are actually paint spots. Actually, this is my third design for this card. I entered the second design into a card challenge using specific colors. But this card is so versatile and easy to make. You can just pick whatever coordinating colors you like. Alright. And then I'm going to follow up with the stamp sentiment. And again, the stamp sets I use for the paint stroke and the paint splatters, it came from Distress Patterns from My Favorite Things. And then the sentiment I'm stamping next is from Rainbow Greetings stamp set from My Favorite Things as well. And then I'm going to make that final stamp, and pretty much that's it. It's one layer, it's clean and simple, it's fast, and you can do it in 5 minutes. So I'm kind of learning a lot. I know that next video, I'm gonna do a little bit more editing. Try not to sound so rehearsed. Make sure my Fitbit is in the sleep mode. That was a big distraction. So I'm interested in you guys either leaving a comment or constructive criticism. Let me know what you think. Oh, one other thing I learned is when I'm using my iPhone, I'm going to make sure I turn it landscape. For some reason, I forgot to do that. So the video would be better. I also have to stabilize my mount. My desk is kind of shaky, but the software allowed me to fix that a little bit. But nevertheless, that's the card. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Here are more pictures. Thanks for watching.